So let's assume you covered your cake and you placed it on the board, and this line is showing, this line like this hole here, and you don't want it. You want everything to seal up, and to seal up with the cake board. So I'm going to show you what you would do for it to seal up. You understand? To seal the hole or that line that we are seeing there. So all you will do is just get royal icing. So you get royal icing, then put it in a piping bag, then you just pipe it on the hole. So just use palette knife to close it. Can you see? Can you see it? So there is a difference between this side that I've done and this side. Can you see the difference? Can you see? This place has been sealed up, and then this side, you see the hole is yet to be sealed up. So can you see it? Can you see? Okay.